It's our favorite song. Everyone is shooting their bows but me. I'm carrying the baby. But what is this? What is this called that we're doing?
Hotel Field Archer 3D shoot.
Very cool.
You have binoculars.
So we'll ride the ski lift up. You see it? And then hike down. So it's gonna be so fun.
I know, but I'm gonna be carrying some Propel water for you. Thanks, dog.
Winston.
Oh yeah, that's sick. Super sick, dude. Look at this one, Stanley Shoot. What's up? July 203.
We switched so she could see what was going on. We're going to the kids course. We can't ride the ski lift, turns out. Well, the little two can't. So we're gonna do the kids course, and then the older ones are going to do the main course, which I think will be enough because it is super sunny. Everyone has sunscreen on, but I don't know. I'm sure that the little ones will be done. Hey! Hey, Winston boy. Ba-ba-ba. Hey, girlfriend. Ba-ba-ba. I love this Ergo baby carrier. It's so comfortable and she really likes it. I think it's called the 360. If I remember right. You can move it all over. You can wear it on the back, on the front, they can face you, and you can also wear it on your side. But I need to read the instructions to know that I'm doing it right for sure. What if there are snakes in the grass? Are there snakes?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'll walk right behind you guys. So it turned out that the baby's gonna go on the ski lift, and then we were gonna do the kids course, and then they had taken it down. So Gage and Layla weren't able to stay, so we actually came home and did a few things, and we just got back from the store, and Daddy got everyone a prize because they couldn't go.
Do you want to see what I got?
Cute! Oh my gosh, what? Are these LOL dolls or are they different?
They're LOL pets.
Cute! They're cuter. I like them better. Should we see which one you got? Look! Oh. Yours is right here.
Layla's.
This is Layla's. Layla.
And it comes with kinetic sand, and it's like...
What? Way better, right?
There's like... Layla's playing with it. 1 second.
Those are so cute.
There's like a pooper scooper, which is actually...
Oh, hilarious. Look what Daddy has. Daddy has yours. You want to see? Look how excited she is, honey.
I took a thing off and had another thing on it.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what you do.
you just keep going.
Something different.
Oh.
Wait,
This
so
isn't-
what does the code say?
Look at her.
Stars, clothes, I don't know.
Did you see how
So-
excited she was? Bouncing.
Flashback Friday is what she got.
Okay. Layla, come over here by Dad.
Friday the 13th.
Are you excited? Here, give it to me. I'll open it.
You want to sit on her lap?
She wants to sit on my lap.
Okay, you ready? You want your stickers? You got some stickers. She's so cute. Her little face.
Cat?
What is that?
Oh my gosh, these are hard to open.
I know. That's
What
what I
is
was
that?
thinking. I was like,
You get some stickers?
They probably make it super hard so people can't.
What's that?
okay, so this is the one you don't want to open yet.
Okay, why?
Because this is like the big one.
Okay. Should we open it? These are all the ones that babies
open this
can't
one?
play with. Oh, look at that. It's a little milk carton.
I bet it's a cow.
Cute, yeah. A cow?
Is it a pooper scooper?
Yeah.
What's
Okay,
that?
and then you open that. That one's on everything, so it doesn't mean you got it.
Okay. Open that one.
Here's your
for her.
pooper scooper.
Thank you. It's definitely a cat, guys.
You want me to open the main one?
Yeah. Here, show her.
But you can't because there's accessories in that.
Okay.
So you have to wait.
Sorry, Layla. I'm
What
really
is going
sorry.
on right now? Why are you guys getting
Don't you
so
ever
excited?
watch these unboxing videos?
We watch these all the time.
Really?
I actually bought a year ago LOL dolls like this. These are their pets, but we bought the dolls last year. Don't smell it.
Is that like a litter box?
Yeah, that's cute. Okay, let's open it. Open hers. Or
You smell
let's
it?
see it.
Smell it.
Dig it.
Don't eat
Oh,
it.
don't eat it. No, no, no.
Look.
Cook. Oh, there's stuff inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Holy, how do you know this?
Because I watched the videos.
Oh my gosh.
That's cat poop.
Ooh,
Okay, now we can open this.
how messy.
Cute.
Look at your kitty.
Look at that hair.
Aw, cute.
You love it?
Just saying,
Oh.
I got the cuter one, so I got a bunny.
Yeah, the bunny.
Should we see what they do? Where's the bottle?
Awesome. Say thanks, Dad.
Where's my bottle go?
High fives.
Zays, where'd you
High
put my
fives.
bottle?
Were your glasses in the sand too, Braylee? Let's see it, girl. Let's see it. Oh, cute, Layla. She's so cute. Braylee's is the cutest, though. But she said Layla can have both of them. Layla just wants that sand. Why are all the doors open? And why is my house so messy? Always so messy. Makes me crazy. The kids are playing outside, like night games or something. Layla actually just woke up. She fell asleep about 45 minutes ago and she woke up. So hopefully she'll be ready to bed. But I'm going to end the vlog. I'm terrible at ending the vlogs. So I'm gonna try a little bit harder. So I am ending the vlog now. And thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us today. And hopefully we'll see you soon in the next couple of days. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye, good girl. Thanks for watching.